May you, my precious girl, receive reciprocity in the resonant receptacle of God's womb. You always curl up as if you're in one. Maybe one more night to breathe heavy and tread light.
Wisdom keeper.
Tail swishing, cleansing every path you walk. Will we make it through the night? Or will we rise to close out the world as our foreheads touch, enclosing in murmurs and burning in the warmth of the space in between?
Soft heart.
If we don't, I won't be surprised. For more than 5 years I've been saying goodbye, releasing you from all obligation. Those cosmic promises we make so flippantly in moments when love is flickering, your hearts palpitate rhythmically. Let's not make eternal promises. Externally, eternity could be a dust mite's esophagus. Though it's just as likely eternity is a fucking long time. I'm not sure that I have the stamina or the confidence. Maybe in another life we can switch bodies. Then I'm ready to call it quits. For now, I'm grateful for the soothing lullaby that is you snoring.
My beautiful echo, I can remember you so vividly. Down at the river, walking into the water, staring at the water, wondering what was there. You were waiting down at the river. And also I can remember at the hockey, Echo was the only dog there. She would walk up and down the seating for little bits of food. You little cheeky Echo. Love you, love you, love you. Goodbye, my beautiful girl. I always remember you out at Nanny and Poppy's place. You peer through the window at us as the sun is setting. You always got your own way, you beautiful girl. We will miss you, miss you, miss you. Love you. Bye.